Hello folks, it's Phil with Jim's Motors in Cuba, Missouri. What we're looking at here today is a 2018 Sundowner, 2-horse, 6-foot short wall LQ trailer. This trailer's only been used a time or two. It's like new. There's no imperfections in it. Power jack, extruded sides, escape door drops on the head side, aluminum wheels, got a rear load ramp, swing out saddle rack, stud stall divider, big long power awning, steps up into the bunk. Nice big LQ or big bunk. Stereo storage in the nose. Lots of overhead storage. Jackknife sofa makes a bed. Cooktop and microwave. Three cubic foot refrigerator below the cooktop and a single sink. Stool with storage behind it. Nice big shower. For more information on this trailer, give us a call here at Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. Thank you and have a great day.